Do your daily food choices secretly affect how you feel? Inflammation is your body's natural response system. But when it goes into overdrive, it can impact your entire well-being. Consider your diet a switch. Certain foods can increase inflammation, while others help calm it down. In this guide, we'll walk through the complete anti-inflammatory diet. You'll discover which foods to embrace, which to limit, and how to make simple changes that fit your lifestyle. Let's break down what works, is backed by science, and is easy to follow. Let's look at what makes an anti-inflammatory diet work. Picture your plate divided into 3 main parts. First, fill half your plate with colorful vegetables and fruits. These contain antioxidants that help calm inflammation naturally. Think rainbow. Each color brings different benefits. The next quarter goes to lean proteins, especially fatty fish rich in omega-3s. These are your body's building blocks for recovery and repair. The final quarter includes whole grains and healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These provide steady energy and support your body's natural healing process. The key principle is choosing whole, unprocessed foods. Think of it as eating closer to nature. When food undergoes less processing, it retains more of its anti-inflammatory properties. Remember, this isn't about strict rules. It's about making better choices most of the time. Small changes, consistently applied, make the most significant difference. Let's explore the foods that actively fight inflammation. Starting with vegetables, focus on dark leafy greens like spinach and kale. Add bright bell peppers, tomatoes, and carrots. Their vibrant colors signal potent antioxidants. Wild-caught salmon leads the way for healthy fats, alongside sardines and mackerel. Plant-based options include avocados, extra virgin olive oil, and walnuts. These fats don't just fight inflammation, they help your body absorb other nutrients better. Quality proteins are crucial. Beyond fish, choose grass-fed meats, legumes, and organic eggs in moderation. Plant proteins like lentils and chickpeas bring bonus fiber and minerals. Remember your flavor boosters. Turmeric, ginger, and garlic aren't just tasty, but inflammation-fighting powerhouses. Fresh herbs like basil, oregano, and rosemary add flavor and benefits. Mix and match these foods to create satisfying meals. The more variety you include, the more anti-inflammatory compounds you get. Now let's talk about foods that can trigger inflammation. Knowing what to limit is just as important as knowing what to eat. Refined sugars, including sodas, candy, and many breakfast cereals, are on our watch list. Instead, reach for whole fruits when you want something sweet. Processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats can promote inflammation. Choose fresh, unprocessed proteins instead. White flour products, bread, pastries, and pasta can spike inflammation. Many vegetable oils, such as corn and soybean, can be problematic. Stick to olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil. Watch out for hidden sources of trans fats in packaged snacks and fried foods. Choose nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit for snacking. Remember, it's not about perfection. Small changes like choosing water over soda or whole grain bread over white make a real difference. Let's make this practical with some easy ways to get started. First, let's plan some simple meals. For breakfast, try overnight oats with berries and walnuts or a smoothie bowl with spinach, banana, and chia seeds. A colorful bowl with quinoa, roasted vegetables, and salmon, or a hearty lentil soup with dark leafy greens could be a good choice for lunch. When shopping, start in the produce section. Your essential list should include leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and berries. Add anti-inflammatory fruits like oranges and cherries. Next, grab some fatty fish, legumes, and whole grains like quinoa and brown rice. Remember your healthy fats, olive oil, avocados, and nuts are essential. Also, pick up fresh herbs and spices like turmeric, ginger, and garlic. Here are some quick tips for success. Start by changing just one meal a day. Prep vegetables in advance for easy cooking. Keep frozen berries and greens on hand for smoothies. Cook extra portions for easy leftovers. When eating out, look for grilled or baked options with extra vegetables. Ask for olive oil and lemon as a dressing. Keep healthy snacks like nuts and fruit at work or in your car. Each anti-inflammatory choice you make supports your health, no matter how small it seems. Let's recap what we've learned about the anti-inflammatory diet. It's not about strict rules, but about making informed choices supporting your health. Remember these key points. Eat the rainbow with colorful vegetables and fruits, choose quality proteins and healthy fats, and minimize processed foods and sugars. Small changes lead to significant results. Start with a straightforward step this week. It could be adding an extra serving of vegetables, switching to olive oil, or including fatty fish in your meals. Build from there. Want to learn more about healthy eating and practical nutrition tips? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below with your favorite anti-inflammatory food or any questions you have. You will find more information about nutrition and wellness on my website in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following